I've never fucking had a line break or not come undone on them, other than
other than today, eh?
I don't even think that came.
She go. Oh wait, I got some line here. I got your line, Grant.
Oh fuck, you are the fucking man.
Oh, that's obviously that's a snap. You got 50 feet of line.
Oh, boys! Yes, Roder. Oh yeah, see that broke right in the middle of my line.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Oh fuck yeah, I'm on.
Pike? Better? Oh yeah,
Did he put it
It's
together?
right behind you.
oh yeah.
Bring her in, bring her in. Oh yeah, he's come here, cunt. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
3.28.
Pike, quick.
Oh, that's what I said this morning. The lake, the clouds are coming on. Hang on, I got the net.
Same one.
Nice, Mikey. Mikey slays the pike in the.
Yeah, I guess so. Oh.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, Mike. Good one.
Nice little pike. Here's one.
Big one?
I don't think so.
Another fucking pike.
Oh. Yep.
Another pike.
Yes, another pike. Oh yeah, there's lots of bass in here.
Well, the fucking is. You already caught one, you cunt. Mikey cleaned up last time. They got 4 bass and that big.
Clay streams are made of. Oh, yep, there she is. Please. Holy! Nice little sunfish. Oh. Yeah, boy.
There you go. Get him in the fucking boat, Bill.
Oh! Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Little pike for the end of the day.